Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk shock absorbers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Loosen the rear wheel studs. To change the back shock absorbers on your vehicle, you need to remove the wheels to gain full access to the suspension system. Lift the rear of your vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching our tutorial, raising your Astra case safely, before carrying out this step. Don't forget to slide the wheels under the vehicle. You can now see the back shock absorbers on your car. You will also need to remove the mudguards. Using a socket wrench, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 4 nuts holding the mudguard to the body. Remove the 3 front mudguard retaining clips using a fork. Using a T15 Torx key, unscrew the 4 retaining screws. Remove the mudguard. With a socket wrench, a long extender, and a 13mm socket, loosen and remove the 2 upper holding screws. Using a socket wrench and an 18mm socket, unscrew the shock absorber base retaining screw. You can now extract the shock absorber. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take your new shock absorber. Before installing the new shock absorbers, it is necessary to prime them by pressing the shock absorber rod vertically so that the gas and hydraulic fluid are separated. Unscrew the lug nut on the stem. Place the stop in the plastic cover, then install the complete set on the shock absorber stem. Put the suspension strut support bearing stop in place. To do this, clamp the shock absorber rod in a vise. Tighten firmly with a 16mm socket. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. You have now finished preparing the new part. Put the new shock absorber in place using the upper part. Put the upper holding screws in place.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Then lock them in place with the ratchet. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Use the jack to bring the lower part of the shock absorber closer together so that the fixing screw can be fitted. Then screw it back on with the socket wrench. To avoid damaging the silent blocks, make sure to finish tightening the shock absorber's lower fastening screw with the rear axle in the vehicle on the ground position. Lift the rear axle with the jack. Tighten the nut of the shock absorber base with the Torx spanner. Remove the jack. Put the mudguard back on, taking care to put back in all of the clips. Then screw it back on. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your car back on the ground and block the wheels securely. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Operation completed.